Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire refrigerator is displaying you the H1 error code, we need to first of all understand what it actually means. So this error usually means that the appliance is detecting high temperature inside the freezer or refrigerator compartment. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this particular error. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to check the temperature inside the appliance. So make sure that the freezer is near 0 degree Fahrenheit and the refrigerator section is around 37 degree Fahrenheit. If the temperature is elevated, the unit may genuinely be struggling to cool. So after confirming the settings, you just have to inspect the door seal and the door closure. Warm air entering through the damaged or loose door gaskets can trigger the H1 code. So you just have to simply take a look at the gaps, the cracks or debris around the seals and ensure that both the doors close fully without any obstructions. Now, sometimes the dirty condenser coils can reduce the cooling efficiency and force internal temperatures higher. So you just have to simply clean the coils thoroughly using a vacuum or coil brush to improve the airflow and cooling performance. So if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply do a quick reset. In it, you just have to unplug your refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect power to reset the control board and clear temporary sensor errors. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.